repeat clients love me so much that they want to put me on an airplane. I've been to cities I've never even heard of before. So this one time I had a client who wanted to take me to Galveston, Texas. Of course I've heard of Galveston, obviously, but they said that they wanted to buy a house there on the beach. Well, I've never sold anything on stilts. And so I said, well, I would be happy to refer you to the best agent in Galveston, Texas. And they said, absolutely not. We know you're the best and we want you and you're coming with us. And I said, well, I mean, I guess technically I can. I'm licensed in the great state of Texas. What did I do? I joined the Association of Realtors in Galveston, Texas, and I sold my first house on stilts, and I got them an incredibly beautiful gold fortified home on the ocean, and it's absolutely stunning. The only problem is they've never invited me to stay there. So if you're watching, take me to the beach.